has your skincare routine changed? Has it changed? Have you got some differences in it?
I can talk at length about what it's like to be a mother and looking after your skin. Your skin goes through a lot. It becomes dry, you get pigmentation, it becomes difficult to look in the mirror first thing in the morning. So, moisturizer, like lots of moisture, and things that I started using on my face are things like coconut oil, ghee, which are amazing. Lots of natural products also because, Inaya will lick my face literally at times. So whatever I put on my face should be edible and it should not be strong in fragrance. But I think we really need to look after ourselves. So things like taking off your makeup properly at night, moisturizing, and using sunscreen in the day are very important.
Any beauty tips you want to give to the new moms out there?
Often when you have a baby, you forget about yourself and, you don't really pay any attention to the way that you're looking or feeling. And a lot of how we feel comes from how we look. Even though that's not necessarily how it should be, it continues to be that way. So I would say that, delegate as much as possible when it comes to parenting. Do involve other people when it comes to looking after your child. And where possible. And give yourself some time, whether it's yoga to be fit, whether it's pampering yourself, having a nice massage, having a head spa. Do those things from time to time because you need to look and feel human and you deserve it.
Now that you're a working mom, any makeup hacks that you have? Just something you do that saves a lot of your time.
There used to be a time when I would do a number of things. It would take me 10 or 15 minutes as in terms of a beauty care regimen before I went to bed. So now it's basically a 3-step thing where you wash your face, and I put a lot of coconut oil on my face at night when I sleep as well because my skin does get dry. I would say go for clean hair off your face looks. I love ponytails these days. I'm wearing a ponytail now as well. So try and keep it minimal and fuss-free.
Any tips do you have for after a sleepless night? Like moms generally have sleepless nights. So any hacks or tips do you have for sleep?
Learn to sleep when your baby sleeps. I think those days of sleeping for 10, 12 hours a night might be behind you for some time unless you've managed to invest in someone who can look after your child at night. But afternoon naps, embrace them. An afternoon power nap will become your best friend.
And any one product that you have that's like a must for every mom for all go-to problems, like your go-to thing that you always grab?
I would say that again, when it comes to me, natural is best. So anything that is in the kitchen, I often put on my face. Like I said, whether it's ghee, whether it's saffron, whether it's, any kind of good leaf, whatever's in the kitchen can also go on your face.
All right.
Those are my turn to things.